It's now 4:57 p.m. and guess what? We're still barely moving. I've watched snails with more ambition. Hmm. A plane just flew overhead. We said United Airlines.
See
And
the
yes,
plane?
I had
I
enough
believe
time
that she said
to
United
read the
Airlines
full name
plane. So
twice.
that's an airport here.
Uh, Newark Airport is just around the corner. That plane already halfway to Chicago.
I should have
Me
taken the turnpike.
still
I
saying
should have
goodbye.
just ignored the tolls.
Oh
Just
my.
take turnpike or something.
And
Like
here is a
this.
twist. I told my GPS to avoid tolls. Biggest plot twist of 2025. My ETA was 6:06 not long ago. Now it's 6:21, and that's if nothing worse happens, because we're barely moving. I'm starting to think I saved few bucks just to lose 15 years of patience, really. ah, see, this traffic isn't just physical, it's spiritual. I'm confronting life choices in the fast lane or lack thereof. Oh my.
This is a
But I'm here
nightmare.
for the vibes.
Oh my
Still
god.
documenting,
Before the GPS
still
said
rolling,
I should get to where I'm going by like
still dreaming
6:06
of
p.m.
toll
And since I've been
lanes.
sitting in this traffic,
Yikes.
now it's showing I'll get there 6:21 p.m.
Oh well.
ETA. And it keeps increasing.
See, if
Damn,
you've
look at
ever
that
regretted
stretch
the
of
route, hit
traffic.
that like button. This story is still
Whoa, this is.
unfolding.
And it's no way for me to
See
just
you
maybe
in
turn around,
episode
change my
10.
mind, and turn around and go back the other
Hopefully
way.
from a new
I
location.
can't.
Mm-mm.
Once you're in here, you're in here. You can't go back.